Cutting across to breaking news also coming in on the story. Sources have revealed that now there's a fresh demand also by OPS. He wants a single-man leadership in party affairs to reduce EPS's reach in the party. What OPS wants is that EPS is the CM face, but that he gets full control of the party. The negotiations went on through the night. EPS, we are told, stood firm that he wants to continue having a role in the party. Remember that he's the co-convener of the AIADMK. EPS has already, we understand, agreed to one of the demands of OPS, which is that a steering committee be set up. This is an 11-member committee, of which 6 members will be from the OPS camp and 5 will be EPS loyalists. Series of meetings that went on through the night, post midnight till about 3:30, when you had ministers going back and forth between EPS and OPS's house, trying to negotiate and ensure they reach middle ground. Akshay Nath is joining us live from Chennai with more details on this. Akshay, good morning. 9:30 is when we're expecting there'll be some announcement made by the AIADMK. But after all those meetings that we've seen through the night, which is something that we've seen far too often in Tamil Nadu, has there been consensus reached? What exactly has OPS settled for?
Well, Akshita, for the last 10 days, we're seeing that there has been hot discussion going on in the AIADMK's OPS and EPS camp. We're seeing that several ministers have been going back and forth from each camp to bring in a cordial understanding between the top leaders of the AIADMK, which is EPS and OPS. At this point of time, there is a confirmation that EPS might be announced as a CM candidate. Most of the party cadres and people are behind him, is what we're coming to understand. EPS has been shown as a good leadership figure in the party after the demise of former Chief Minister J. Jayalalitha. Meanwhile, OPS was waiting for his turn. He was hoping that 11-member committee will be formed, and soon in the upcoming elections, he will be made the CM candidate. But at this juncture, with the CM candidature out of his cards, he's at least trying to get into making a steering committee, 11-member steering committee, and also he's pinning for becoming the chief of the AIADMK party. So he has been demanding that at least in the party, he needs a leadership right, and that discussion is still going on. We're being told that around 9 o'clock today, both EPS and OPS are likely to leave from the respective residences, and around 9:30 they will be at the party headquarters, and by 9:45 a.m. an announcement about the same will be made. You know that AIADMK is a party which looked at auspicious timings a lot, right from the time of MGR and Jayalalitha.
That's
so
right.
This time around also, the party leadership is looking at auspicious timings.
And the auspicious time, or the Nalla Neram as it's called in Tamil Nadu, is from 9:15 to 10:15 in the morning. So the announcement will be made at that time. Besides this, remember that as far as EPS goes, even if he's the CM face, he needs the backing of OPS, because OPS at the end of the day will have to put a signature for the approval from the party.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.